Hello YouTube! Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Pokemon Mad Party Pin Collection Poltergeist for the Shining Fates set. So as you can see, each one you get a pin. There's 4 of these to collect. So there's the front and here's the back. So you get 1 foil promo card featuring Poltergeist, 1 bright enamel pin, which is at the front, 3 Pokemon booster packs. So let's get this opened. That is so satisfying. So this is the promo card, as you can see. This is the pin. That's just so nice. So yeah, I don't know whether to just leave it in the box or put it on something. Does anyone have any of these? And if they do, what do they do? Do they normally leave them in the boxes, or do they actually use them? Just let me know. So these are the booster packs, Shining Fates. I know these are an old set, but just thought I'd do a video of it. It's the first time I've got one of these pin sets. So which one should we go for? Hold it. See, I've even confused myself now where each one is. So let's go for that one. So there's the code. I always seem to do it upside down. And we have got Rusted Shield. Another Rusted Shield. What? So, the same pack, I've got 1 of each. That's quite cool. Thwackney. So I've got Thwacky. I always seem to get Thwacky. Oh, Celebi. Look at that. That is nice. Grookey. I always seem to get Grookey and Thwacky. We've got Cramorant. We've got Cramorant. Chewtle. Yanma. Oh, wow. Morpeko. That's a really cute card. Nickit. Because you want to nick it? Don't. And we've got an energy. So we've had a good pull within the first pack. On to the next one. So we went for left last time. Let's go for this one. So here's the code. We've got Gym Trainer, Tropius, nice. Another Thwacky. I seem to have so many Thwackies and Grookys. If anyone needs any, just let me know in the comment section. Weasel, it's really nice. Oh wow, got Feeble. That is nice. Grookey again. So we've got 2 Grookys. Corphoon. We've got a Shinx. We've got a Trapinch. Energy. Oh wow, we have got a Sinistea. The shine on that card. That is really nice. Wow, that's a great pull. We're doing quite well with these cards so far. So there's the code. Feel free to use any of these codes. I won't be using them. So we've got energy. Wow. Volcanion. If anyone's seen any of my other videos, they know that I don't pronounce these Pokemons quite that well. Floatzel. Yeah, I need to work on like saying these Pokemon's names better. We've got another Tootle. Another Morpeko. Come on, let's see if we can get a good ball at the end. Oh, wow. So we've got another Thwackey, but we got... Oh, wow, look at that. That's just so nice. Another Coffin. Got another Trapinch. Because how I said that last time earlier, guys. Got a Rowlet. Such beautiful cards. And then the last card we've got in the pack is another Rusted Shield. So this is all the cards that I got for this set. So there's the code. And then what I'm going to start doing, I'm going to do at the end of this video, is every time that I show all the cards, I'm going to put them into all the different types. So it's the first time that I've done it like this. I've put them all into the type. So there's the codes again. Also the energy. Burn the grass. So I'm really happy with this set that I've got. I'm really happy. I've got some of the first and second evolutions. Plenty of hollows and reverse hollows. Yep. So be sure to get one of these pin sets. That'll be put in the plastic sleeve. Yeah, and before anyone asks, I've been asked this before, I do actually put the cards into sleeves and binders. Yeah. Have a good day.